Hello students and industry personnels or maybe advanced researchers. I am Professor Krishnanu Vishwas from IIT Kanpur. I am the instructor of the course of nanomaterials and their properties, and let us talk about why nanomaterials, why you need to know them, and what these courses can offer. Well, nanomaterials are ubiquitous. They are present everywhere. You can see in every aspect of life, whether you talk about road markers or sunscreen lotions or semiconductor devices or even optical devices. So, everywhere they are present. You cannot ignore them, and therefore, we need to know them. So, there is currently an extraordinary amount of interest in nanomaterials in every spectrum of life, whether common man or engineers or scientists or even researchers. So, therefore, this term nano is very familiar to everybody. Nano is a buzzword. Nanomaterials and their products, designers provide very important insight into understanding this subject. As you know, their use in turn is expected to have enormous impact on the society, on the life of human being, and almost everything we see in the world. So, applications can be various kinds like automotive industry, aerospace industry, medicinal industry, or even various chemical industries. Everywhere nanomaterials can be applied. Not only that, hopes also exist for being able to make things which are smaller, much lighter, and which can work better than whatever available materials with us, which are conventionally made. So, serious problems which your society is facing nowadays, like water scarcity, energy scarcity, or even environmental problems which you see day to day life, global warming, can effectively be sorted out by application of different kinds of nanomaterials and nanotechnologies. In energy domain especially, for example, nano-based fuel cells or photovoltaics can potentially offer us greater efficiencies than possible with conventional materials. So, development nanomaterial nanotechnologies have consequently aroused a lot of interest for many individuals, not only us scientists or academicians, but also in common people in engineering, architecture, product design, whether they are in automobile industry or they are in building manufacturing or they are in chemical engineering industries or even beauty products. So, what this course can offer them? So far, we know that nanomaterials is important, but what we can do to you so that you can understand this course or get benefited from it. So, nanomaterial as a course is being taught in various fields of science engineering like chemical engineering, electrical engineering, aerospace engineering, physics, chemistry, even in biology. And in material science metallurgy, this is an integral part of any curriculum in the world. However, present course is different, and rather it is unique from all the available courses in the literature. In the excitement surrounding these nanomaterials and technologies, they are potentially can and has been frequently overhyped. Nanomaterials are always overhyped, because they are new things. So, therefore, a mystic surroundings these words that can cloud understanding of what the nanomaterials are, nanotechnologies are really, and how they can deliver or solve our problems is missing. That is very simple. There is a mystic surrounding around nanomaterials, but many cases the basic approaches, the basic aspects are not taught or understood by the students community. So, this course is an effort to make you aware these basic concepts on which the nanomaterials and nanotechnologies are based on. So, fundamental science-based knowledge is very important, as you understand, for even technological discoveries. So, therefore, it is necessary an understanding of how these nanomaterials and nanotechnologies might be used to address the real problems societies are facing in the world, and more simply to provide the basis for useful applications. So, this course is going to provide this kind of aspects. The core belief which is reflected in this course is that nanomaterial nanotechnologies will offer the new ways of addressing many current trends or current needs, as well as providing basis for a positive vision for future development. So, hope with these words you will be able to understand that this course is very important for many of you who are going to take foray into your research or technology developments or in society even on uses of these kind of materials. So, I will be very happy to provide details of this course and which is available on the website, and you can understand by looking at this subject matter. This will provide you whole breadth and the width or the depth of the nanomaterial nanotechnologies in a nutshell. So, hope you will enjoy this course and you will have a good learning experience over the next 3.5 months time period, and I will also have enriching experience by interacting with you. I will be available to interact with you over various kinds of fora. So, please do utilize and enroll in large numbers. Thank you.